Okay, so I just wanted to show you how you can set up a piece of merchandise using the Streamlabs merch store, which you can set up as a panel here in your channel. So normally you'd be in the Twitch main page. So you start off, when you first log into Twitch, it'll take you here. So let's just beat that. So go to your channel. So you get to your channel from here. Then scroll down, and if you haven't already set up your Streamlabs merch store, go to Edit Panels, slide that, and you can add a panel extension, which is the in this case I've got the Screen Merch Store. But to add the panel extension, you go to here. At the moment it's only giving me the option for a text or image panel, but normally you've got the option of one of these other customizable panels. So in this case I've got the Streamlabs Merch Store. So we'll go into configure. It's already activated, don't have to worry about that. Click onto the link and log in using your Twitch shortcut. Okay, so this is the dashboard for Streamlabs, not Streamlabs, Streamlabs OBS. Now go into merch and then scroll down to add product and click add product, and it gives you a whole bunch of options for products. So in this case we're going to go for a standard classic unisex t-shirt, and we're going to upload our image by clicking on the drag and drop here. And I've created all of my images as PNG files, so they have transparent backgrounds. Okay, let me just grab this image from Pootytime T-shirts. This is the image we're using. Open it up. Wait for it to upload. There it is. Select it. So I've got it selected here. Oops. Now click select, and it will appear onto your t-shirt. We have to scale it a little bit, so click on the object, then we can move it, grab a corner and scale it so it fits on our t-shirt. Oops. Let's undo. That looks pretty good. Alright. Now, here's the other thing. To the right is your product colors. You get a maximum of 5 on Streamlabs. We've only got these options. We'll select all of them. We've only got these 4 options of this particular t-shirt type. Of others you have more options for colors. Alright, that's all done now. Click preview. And there's the mock-up. So that's what the t-shirt is going to look like. And say we want to put like text on the back, go to the back print and upload your artwork. There's an option. Go back to design it, back print, upload, and then choose whatever for the back. So maybe we'll put the logo on the back. And then again, click preview. And then it generates a preview of the back. So that's pretty much it. We're not going to do that. We'll go back to the design and delete that. And stick to just the front. Okay, that's all done. And you click next. Set the price. I set the price to $10 profit. So the price of the t-shirt is $25. The title I'm going to give it is Hothead. Oops. T-shirt style 1. Time period set to never. Click on the terms and the conditions. All looks good, and then click next. And there it is in your store.